Man cannot fly, the doubters said. Maybe, but we'll try. And finally soared in the morning glow, while non-believers watched from below. Be the change that you wish to see in the world, and make the world a reflection of your thoughts. As thoughts become reality, face your fears. Don't go through life fearing dreams because someone told you it can't be done. Because as you age and look back, drowning in tears, you will regret not chasing the fears. It's when you search the darkness and find that all your fears were nothing more than imagination. Like a wild bird locked in a cage, confined and barred from freedom, screaming for help. All the while, the keys are in your hands. It's all up to you now. Open your wings and soar high, from the depths of the darkness to the blue skies. It's all in your hands now. All you have to do is try. Life can be hard, and I know this. I was told most of my life that I was nothing, that I would never be anybody, that my hopes and dreams were nothing but an illusion, that I was chasing a fantasy that would never happen. It's when I ignored the doubters and chased my dreams that I realized my full potential. It's not to prove them wrong, or to prove to anybody my value. What I value most is living a life with meaning, to pursue that of which I love. Doubt me all you want. You're only adding fuel to the flame that burns inside of me, the passion that's never ending. I will never give up, with passion as the antidote to my pain. I used it to push myself further. When I was going through the hardest times of my life, I look back and I see how much I've overcome, and I realized that anything is possible now. I used to think that the world and everything around me was holding me back, and that's when I realized the only thing holding me back was my own mind. But now I'm like a lion, and I've got my eyes locked on those dreams.